to Soy Street for some authentic Pan-Asian dishes. And as you enter, you'll witness that the restaurant is filled with lemongrass fragrance and Asian spices.
Next up, pottery. These guys serve up multi-cuisine, but my eyes are set on the Mediterranean food.
Walk into the classy dim-lit dinner vibe. It's a perfect spot if you're looking to try some international food with a calm vibe.
My first meal of choice is Meze 5. This platter is the best way to satiate my Mediterranean food cravings.
Lose yourself in the Punjabi ambience and colorful decor. This themed restaurant is perfect for an authentic Bollywood-style dinner. Relish hearty continental dishes at the British Brewing Company, where you can enjoy a plethora of bread, salad and small bite options.
After you're done eating all the amazing food, head to Hoover and Ollie for some dessert. Because how is a meal even complete without something sweet?
Or head to more dining options like chilies, chayos or even love and latte to satiate your hunger.
Well, for me it has been a super eventful day. I got to try so many different dishes at Inorbit Vashi. And if you're looking for a place to hang out with your friends or go shopping, I think this is perfect. There's so much you can do here. So, for more such content, hit the like button, share and subscribe to Curly Tales.